Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do the tutorial video for this candy bar purse set. So this is the one that I made, and these are the dies. So let me explain the dies first. So these are the basic dies, and they are also layering pieces, and I didn't show it in the video. And so you need to cut this one 2 times, is to cut the front and the back side. And this one time to cut the top part, and this piece is to cut 2 times. So they will stick at the bottom of your purse. And this one is to make the handle part, so you need to cut it 1 time, so you get these 2 pieces together. So it's quite simple to cut all these out, and here are the cut out. And let's get started. So first, I will layer the layering pieces on top. So these are ready. And here is the part to build the size part of your purse. And that's first. Trim off this part, this extra flap part. And fold it over. And you can use the double-sided tape or glue to glue this part. I personally love the double-sided tape because it's faster, since the width is quite narrower for the purse, and it will be a little hard, a little difficult to use the glue. So when it comes to the projects like this, I will use the double-sided tape just to make it faster and easier. So that's first, peel off the tape and layer it around this line. Just make sure you layer it as close as you could be. And then also do it to this part. See, so it will look like this. And now you can close your box at this part. So it will look like this. This part, these two parts, see here that they will be overlapped a little bit here, but it's okay. Yeah, we can use the layering piece to hide this part. So let's do the other side. So this part is finished. And yeah, we can add the layering piece on top. So this part is ready. And yeah, now we need to add the top piece here. So also first fold it around this folding line. And now add glue on this part. And line it, yeah, line it well with the back side. So it will look like this. And the only thing that we need to do is to add the top piece for the, to hold the top part. So for this one, you need to fold it half. So it will look like this. And stick them together. Yeah, it will look like this. So this whole part is that you can use your ribbon or add your beaded chain here. So you need to, yeah, this is top part, and you need to, yeah, raise this part a little bit and add the glue at this part. So stick it on top of the lid. And also do the same to this one. Lift this part a little bit. And add glue here. So yeah, make them in the opposite part. Yeah, it's about this place. So yeah, it will look like this. This is when you finished it. And now you can use like this one that I added the beaded chain here, or you can use a ribbon here to make the handle part. Or if you don't want this one, you want to have the paper as the handle, then you don't need to use these two pieces. You just make a handle, by yourself, and then stick it here. So there are a lot of ways to make the handle part. And then you can use a Velcro here to close your purse. And yeah, and then also add a bow here to decorate your purse. Then it's, yeah, so the purse is ready to go. You can definitely fill two Hershey bars inside it, or you can put other things inside like goodies or chocolate inside. It's all okay. So this is not only for Hershey bar purse. You can definitely fill it with other goodies inside. So a very cute purse for your Valentine's Day, or any other theme like birthday or yeah, Christmas is also okay. Just depends on what things you want to put inside and what paper collection that you use. So it's definitely a cute packaging way for all year round. Yeah. So this is the tutorial for today, and I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.